Hey everyone, I just want to do a quick video of this new linear actuator that I got. It's 12 volts, 16 inches long, and it's got 300 pounds of force. So I'm going to go ahead and crank it up with a power supply. And you see it extending. And so what I want to do later is use a Raspberry Pi with a H-bridge to control the extending and retracting. Right now I'm just using a power supply. And so what I want to do is make like an exosuit, like DARPA makes an exosuit to assist with heavy lifting without putting strain on the physical body of a person. So this would actually assist in heavy lifting and save the lifting of the person. So it's still extending. So that's 16 inches right there. I'll keep you updated with new postings. So soon I'll have this hooked up to a Raspberry Pi and or a Arduino, and then make a exosuit where it's. So if you ever seen the movie Aliens, where Sigourney Weaver has the loader, the yellow robot suit, that's pretty much what an exosuit is. It's just like the prosthesis to assist in heavy lifting. So if I get a couple more of these guys, it'd be pretty cool, at least for Comic-Con. It'd be kind of cool to make a